Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring.
Good morning everyone, my name is Pant Agarwal from class 2nd day. Today I am presenting thought of the day. Don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done. Thank you, have a nice day, Merry Christmas.
Good morning all of you, I am the test of class 2nd. Today I am telling a speech on Christmas. Christmas is a famous festival of Christians. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. It is celebrated because it was the birthday of God's Son Jesus. People decorate a Christmas tree and make a wish to God Jesus. Santa Claus appears on this day and give gifts to the children. Merry Christmas.
जिंगल बेल्स क्रिसमस आया है. ढेर सारी खुशियाँ मौज और मस्ती लाया है. जिंगल बेल्स क्रिसमस आया है. ढेर सारी खुशियाँ मौज और मस्ती लाया है.
चलो क्रिसमस ट्री सजाए, क्रिसमस कैरल्स भी गाए,
औरों को भी बुलाए मिलजुल के. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun